nag-graduate ka na. Tama yan, para may pera na tayo. And, yun, okay din yan kasi, alam mo yun, wala nang mananapak sa akin pag nakita lang ako sa corridor. Wala na mag-resting sa akin sa booth na parang lalaki ako. Wala nang kukunin ako para mag-assist. Mag-assist para lang utusan ako bumili ng something kay Doc Pina and pabalik-balik pa. Yung mga ganun. But, despite all those, I hate to say this, but I really, really miss you. And I miss having you as my savior. I never thought existed. Who does my schoolworks whenever I feel hopeless or lazy. I miss having you as my alarm clock whenever I sleep at the booth. Actually, just those times that we were together almost most of the time. Like our routinely early morning meet up to open the booth, or late, very, very, very late at night closing of the booth to wait for my sundo or whatnot, and yeah, just those. I'm just really thankful that I got to meet you just in time before you leave UD. And you know, knowing you, something about knowing you, I know that ano ba naman yan?
Uy, sabi
Ulit.
ni Ninong swimming na daw.
Mamaya na.
Okay,
Kasi
go.
naman yung gulo-gulo eh.
Yung buto